Yo, what's good, my plus 82ers? Appreciate you guys joining the live stream today, the special event we got hosted for you. My name is Taya Rungu, and I'm the main host with my co-partner, co-host, Joby in the house. He'll give you the in detail of the artists, so let's get it. This is the Sound of Plus 82 live stream event presented by Wav.Collective, coming to you live and direct, and I'm extremely happy to present Pian Wu, Santo, and New Yen. Let's get it. Before we kickstart this stream, we would like to apologize for the cancellation of July 22nd, obviously due to COVID problems, but we're coming back with a new event in September, Ripples in the Waves. Yes sir, let's get it. Make sure you're tuning in. This is going to be a collaboration with crazybritasian, Wav.Collective, and Sound of Plus 82, which is right here, right now. Cool. So, right now, since we got the long stuff over, let's kick the start of the live stream with Pian Wu. Let's go!
어른들은 말하죠, 어른들은 갈아줘. 어린 나를 바라봐, 어른들이 하는 말 다 믿지마. 내 심장은 있어야만 너네들이 가는 나의 현재 상황, 이런 걸로 돈이들 다 미친 상상을 해. 지금 내가 살고 있는 현실이야.
Let's go! 인생 별거 없어, 난 그냥 살아온다만 보고 내일은 나 안 봐. 그냥 직진 우진 따윈 없지, 밀어붙였다. 사람들은 몰라 우리 모두가 아는 내 심장을 냈어야만 너네들이 가는 나의 현재 상황, 이런 걸로 돈이들 다 미친 상상을 해. 지금 내가 살고 있는 현실이야. 너네들은 나를 봐. 우리들의 계획을 말하지는 마. 생일들에게 모든 너를 말하지는 마. 우리들의 가치 소중히 다시 보석하. 평범한 건 절대 싫어. 그저 내가 가는 길 직접 만들었어. 나의 삶은 왕국 내가 만들어나면 절대로 타협하고 싶지 않은 삶을 살 거야.
심장은 있어야만 너네들이 가는 나의 현재 상황, 이런 걸로 돈이 된다 미친 상상을 해. 지금 내가 살고 있는 현실이야. 내 심장을 있어야만 너네들이 가는 나의 현재 상황, 이런 걸로 돈이 된다 미친 상상을 해. 지금 내가 살고 있는 현실이야.
너네들은 나를 봐. 우리들의 계획을 말하지는 마. 새끼들에게 모든 걸 말하지는 마. 우리들의 가치 소중히 마치 보석하.
어른들은 말하죠, 어른들은
Sound of Plus 82.
어린 나를 바라봐.
Wav.Collective. Let's get it started. Yeah. 내 심장이 있어야만 너네들이 가는 나의 현재 상황, 이런 걸로 돈이 된다 미친 상상을 해. 지금 내가 살고 있는 현실이야. 너네들은 나를 봐. 우리들의 계획을 말하지는 마. 새끼들에게 모든 걸 말하지는 마. 우리들의 가치 소중히 마치 보석하. Pian Wu, Koreatown's finest. Let's get it. Next tune. Let's go. Let's turn this shit up. Yo, I need energy.
Money, savage, Kawasaki, bigger engine, never stop it. Money, savage, Kawasaki, bigger engine, never stop it. Money, savage, Kawasaki, bigger engine, never stop it. Money, savage, Kawasaki, bigger engine, never stop it.
난 필요해 Kawasaki. 고속으로 질주하는 나에게 누구도 못 막지. Cruising down downtown, take these 90. 나 Air Force One 전쟁터를 살아남지 못해. 약점을 보이면 포백이 전에 어서 돌아갈 준비한 레스피야. 네가 내게 처음 말해줘도 못한 거를 내가 영국에서 그렇게 부수는 내 손은 마이다. 아직 우리보다 돈이 다 Wild West. Money savage motherfucker, this is London. Money savage motherfucker, this is London.
Money, savage, Kawasaki, Let's go, let's go. Yo, shout out to Soda White. Yo, aye. Bless the system. Me and my bros we moving, soaring through this broken matrix. I don't care about your feelings, it's all chest move, it's all business. Sorry darling, I know you want me tonight, but I cannot mix my pleasure with my business. Bless the system. Me and my bros we moving, soaring through this broken matrix. I don't care about your feelings, it's all chest move, it's all business. Sorry darling, I know you want me tonight, but I cannot mix my pleasure with my business. Chest moves. Asshole business, I am the chosen, you're my witness. Finesse the system, taking my wish list. Man groove, all my teas and biscuits. Swabbing broken matrix system, cryptic mindset, Elon Musk. Yeah, she never thought that man's gonna make it well. Look at me now, darling. Brands, then we send me gone, styling, manifesting my life, darling. Wait, polish up the prize of my head. I know that they wanna see me dead. Late night stay, I'm not in bed. Not in bed, wide awake, ride a wave. In your face, London City got me elevated. Test me, I'ma lose my patience. Who that who? Grew up, what, where, who? PIA and fuck with the woo. None do what man's do that. Bless the system. Me and my balls we moving, serving through this broken matrix. I don't care about your feelings, it's all chest move, it's all business. Sorry darling, I know you want me tonight, but I cannot mix my pleasure with my business. Bless the system. Me and my balls we moving, serving through this broken matrix. I don't care about your feelings, it's all chest move, it's all business. Sorry darling, I know you want me tonight, but I cannot mix my pleasure with my business. Bow, 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 brah.
Woo! Ladies and gentlemen, that was Pian Wu with 3 O's. Pian Wu. So Wu, how was the set first of all?
Oh man, I'm sweating hell at the moment. I am sweating. I enjoyed it, yeah.
Yeah,
it's crazy.
I can see you're drenched and everything. So tell us a little bit about yourself for the people that know who you are.
Alright, for those people who don't know, my name is Pian Wu from New Malden, Koreatown, aka Koreatown's finest. And we out here, you know, Sounder Plus at 82. I've been doing this shit for 3 years. Let's get it.
Cool. So I can see that you're working on this thing called Plus Sound at 82. Give us a little brief about what Plus Sound at 82 is.
So Sounder Plus 82 is basically a club event or event planner, whatever you want to call it, celebrating all type of Korean music, Korean urban culture, Korean streetwear, everything. We out here trying to give out the message and give out the words to the people, and then, you know, trying to get what we need to do.
Cool. So that sounds all great and all. So as Ty mentioned earlier, you were working with someone else called Santo, that's also in Wav.Collective.
Yes, sir.
So can you give us a little brief about what Wav.Collective is?
Wav.Collective. Well, let me actually, in fact, tell you about the Santo and
Yeah.
how Santo and I met first.
Okay.
So Santo is actually, you know, we're from the same time, and then I was just chilling with my boys one evening in New Malden, and then there's a kid came out of nowhere. It was like, "Yo, Hyung." All right, cool. I want to do music. Mom wants to be a rapper and that.
Okay.
I was like, all right, cool. I've seen these kids before. Cool. I was like, you know what? Lay down your 16. And then this guy brings out 64 bars straight in on the spot.
On the spot.
I'm no cap. And then I was just telling him, you know what? That's cool. Let's get some work together. And then from then, we made a track called TDK, which we'll be performing at the end of this whole live set. And rest is a history.
Cool. So as Ty mentioned earlier, there's this other event that's coming up called Ripples of the Wave. How excited are you to perform?
Very excited, bro. Very, very excited, because this is going to be a collaborations between crazybritasian, Wav.Collective, and Sounder Plus 82. And then we're celebrating with the September, which is the Asian Heritage Month. So it has a lot of meaning behind it, and then I'm excited, I'm stoked.
Yeah, I can imagine. Thank you for your time. Well, I won't take too much of your time because I seem like you're sweating and all and everything. So
yes, sir.
Yeah, so the next act that's coming on next is going to be another member from Wav.Collective, Santo. Let's run it.
Let's go.
Let's go.
What's up? Yeah. Wish you were dead. Wish you were here. She said my heart was under. I cannot breathe no longer. 누가 날 구해줬죠. 후회한 감정 너무 여기서 나를 얻어 빼내줘. I can't take it anymore.
Oh please don't go away. Oh please don't leave me here. Oh please don't go away.
Let's go what? Wish you were here. I've never said 멀리 가라 말한 적 없잖아. Wish you were dead. Dig in your grave. 멀리 가라 말한 적 없잖아. Wish you were here. Wish you were dead. Wish you were here. Wish you were dead. Wish you were here. Wish you were dead. Wish you were here. 많은 시간들과 시기를 거쳐서 난 너를 생각을 해. 난 빛을 락기를 빛자 함께 모든 시간은 버려도 돼. Girl I wish I was right but 항상 나 때문에 시작한 break. 둘이 번거려도 보이지 않을 점 없어 nobody can pay. Yeah yeah I don't wanna believe it. My heart's falling pieces. I think I'm the reason why you left out the season 2. Cause all these reasons. Oh my god 우리 너무나 비슷해. It's inevitable. 그래 너무 빨리 가도 좋을 건 없어. 좀 과거에 머물러줘. 지금엔 좋아 I'm not party people. But I'm so drunk now I wanna away over my anxiety. Girl, why'd you have to leave? I ain't gon' give you in. 나는 quarantine. Won't you kill us? But now I'm in the dark trying to forget my past. Now I'm hoping that you wanna last, baby.
Oh please don't go away.
Go away.
Please don't leave me here.
Leave me here.
Oh please don't go away.
Go away. Wish you were here. I've never said 멀리 가라 말한 적 없잖아. Wish you were dead. Dig in your grave. 멀리 가라 말한 적 없잖아. Let's go.
Wish you were here.
Wish you were dead. Wish you were here. Wish you were dead. Wish you were here. Wish you were dead. Wish you were here. Wish you were here. I've never said 멀리 가라 말한 적 없잖아. Wish you were dead. Dig in your grave. 멀리 가라 말한 적 없잖아. Wish you were here. Wish you were dead. Wish you were here. Wish you were dead. What? Wish you were here. Wish you were dead. Wish you were here. Shout out to plus 82. Wav.Collective. Shout out Pav. Let's go. Wish you were here. Wish you were dead. Wish you were dead. Alright, let's move on to the next song.
남은 android 이 세상 속에 나는 또 하나의 glitch 인생은 한번 네 앞에 밀어준 miss 맨정신으로 못 살아가 이거 bitch
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I'm an android. 이 세상 속에 너를 또 하나의 bitch. 인생은 한번 네 옆에 밀어준 miss. 내 정신으로 못 살아가 이건 fix. 정해져 이 인생 살기 싫어 fuck you. I'm an android. 이 세상 속에 너를 또 하나의 bitch. 인생은 한번 네 옆에 밀어준 miss. 내 정신으로 못 살아가 이건 fix. 정해져 이 인생 살기 싫어 fuck you bitch. While we're tripping, yeah. 이 세상 속에 우린 glitch, yeah, yeah. 실험도 같은 조언들 듣기 싫어 클리마켓, yeah, yeah, yeah. 위로되는 말도 평생 들어왔어. 이제 또 한 가지의 잔소리를 같아. 조각상 같이 깎아 내려와는 말들 옆에 듣고 길을 닫아 나는 이제 됐어. 나를 뺐어. 무도 꿈속에서 이제 깼어. 때려 부셔, yeah. 쌓아왔던 감정들은 이제 백화. Lock and lock처럼 열리지를 않을 바로 백도. 이제마저 니도 뺐어. 과거에 신경 완전히 껐어. 너는 이미 졌어. Fuck it, I just realized I'm an android. 이 세상 속에 너는 또 하나의 bitch. 인생은
한번 네가 baby don't you miss 내 정신으로 못 살아가 이거 빅 저기 좋아 인생 살기 싫어 fuck you I'm an android 이 시스템 속에 나를 도와 나의 glitch 인생은 한번 네가 baby don't you miss 내 정신으로 못 살아가 이거 빅 저기 좋아 인생 살기 싫어 fuck you bitch I can't call you on my phone no more baby Why you run I'm trying to trust you more 혹시 이 세상 때문에 무서웠던 한 거니 그럼 이해해줄게 I'm done now yeah 무너진 우리 벽들 남겨 추억으로 새겨 뒤돌아보지 마 조각조각들을 모아 좋은 기억만 담아 가만 챙겨서 너는 남아봐 Why you try to flex 나는 됐어 의미 없어 끝날 끝이 세상 홀로 걸어가면 남의 시선들은 fix 이제 받아들일 상태 너의 맘속에 좋은 추억으로 남겨 please baby Can't call you that no more Now 넌 sorry bye bye yes 우리 press sorry goodbye 머리 안에 색 너의 이름 그땐 너는 필요 없어 이제 나는 android 이 시스템 속에 나를 좋아 나의 glitch 인생은 한번 네가 baby don't you miss 내 정신으로 못 살아가 이거 yeah 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 Baby don't you miss 내 정신으로 못 살아가 이거 빅 저기 좋아 인생 살기 싫어 fuck you I'm a android 이 시스템 속에 나를 도와 나의 glitch 인생은 한번 네가 baby don't you miss 내 정신으로 못 살아가 이거 빅 저기 좋아 인생 살기 싫어 fuck you I'm a android 이 시스템 속에 나를 도와 나의 glitch 인생은 한번 네가 baby don't you miss 내 정신으로 못 살아가 이거 빅 저기 좋아 인생 살기 싫어 fuck you bitch Whoa, 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 whoa.
나는 android
이 시스템 속에 나를 도와 나의 glitch 인생은 한번 네가 baby don't you miss 내 정신으로 못 살아가 이거 bitch 저기 좋아 인생 살기 싫어 fuck you bitch Thank you.
One amazing performance.
Thank you.
So, after I just want to ask, how was the set first?
Set was great. It was great performing. It's been a long time since because of Corona. It felt good.
Yeah, cool. So to the people that don't know who you are you?
My name is Minsu, aka Santo. I'm based in New Malden, KT3, and I'm from South Korea.
Cool. So I can see that you're working with this crew called Wav.Collective alongside with myself. What is Wav.Collective and what does Wav mean to you?
So Wav.Collective is pretty much a collective of creatives. We came together to achieve our goals together because we have a dream that we want to achieve. I feel like we can all help each other. Therefore, we created the group. And Wav is basically family to me at the moment.
Yeah, cool. So, I was talking to Wu earlier, and he was telling me how you guys met. I want to hear it from your side now, because obviously he was saying you're just this youngin that's come out and tried to spit bars to him. But I want to hear what it's like from your side.
So I met Wu around 2018. I started music around then. He was the only one doing music in New Malden, my town. So obviously for a young person to start music by himself, he was a person to look up to. So I saw him one time in like a restaurant, went to him, and then I spat like 16 bars from him, I think. No, maybe more. So
16.
yeah.
He was saying you basically spat like a whole track to him. That's what I heard.
It was like a 16 to 32 bar, and then after that, me, Rin, we worked on the track together with TDK. You'll hear it again as we said before in the set.
Okay, cool. So in terms of your music from back then when you were spitting that 16 to Wu compared to now, how has your music changed over time?
So obviously my music style has changed through the time because music also changes over time. I'm an artist that kind of follows a trend, so like my music adapts to the era basically.
Cool. So there's this event coming up called Ripples in the Wave. Is there anything you want to say to your fans out there, or just give a little bit brief of the event?
Obviously it's an event about Asian Heritage Month, so we're trying to celebrate Asians basically.
Yeah.
in some sense, if you want to put it like that. So I'm quite happy that this is actually happening in London. I heard that it's only happening in America, and it came to London now. It's the first time happening, so I'm very happy to represent that. Also, and for my fans out there, just keep waiting, and you'll get some more good music.
Yeah, so just one last question before you finish. Like you said to your fans to wait. Is there anything new coming up that you want to announce right now?
Yeah, there'll be an EP coming very soon. Can't really say
Okay.
when, but
You guys heard it here first. EP coming soon. Thank you, Santo, for your time.
thank you.
Yeah. The next act is another member from Wav.Collective, New Yen. Let's go.
Let's go. Yeah. 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 Let's go. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Was
My girlfriend to my only lover. Now they're talking off, she had all the saddle.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Was my girlfriend to my only lover. Now they're talking off, she had all the saddle.
Yeah, 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 yeah. 반복되는 일상이 난 익숙해져. 파파필리어를 join 너무 식상해져. 내가 지금까지 쌓아왔던 추억들이 너로 인한 순간들로 더욱더 난 우울해져. 너랑 같이 1년 동안 써왔던 stories 그때 현실 같은 fiction 속의 유리였지. 마치 동안에 웃고 있는 우리들이 나는 지금 그 순간이 그리워져. 그건 나니 You were the one I chose therefore baby I love you baby. 아무리 뭘 마셔도 풀리지 않아 하니 baby.
Let's go! Drinking all this alcohol, trying to forget. It's in my system, baby, please don't make me regret.
Why don't you love me baby? I'm drinking all this alcohol, trying to forget. It's in my system, baby, please don't make me regret. Why don't you love me, baby?
Yeah, yeah. Was my girlfriend to my only lover. Now the talking off, she had all the saddle.
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
But yeah, yeah, yeah. Let's go. Was my girlfriend to my only lover. Now the talking off, she had all the saddle.
yeah, yeah, yeah,
Yeah, yeah, yeah, yeah.
You wanted a break, said I needed a change, but you stayed the same way.
Hey, hey.
Now I'm missing your face, I really tried every way, but I cannot forget.
But now we're gonna separate ways. Hope you're in a better place.
Can I swear to God, yeah, I'll fucking pray.
The thought of you driving me insane. What? Hey.
Got your call in the morning, saying that you're done, now I'm scared and it's
Hopeless, all the things you told me, all the stupid stories. Now I'm feeling lonely.
You're my one and only.
What? You're still in my mind when
Your
you're.
name passes by, and my life's in decline. This ain't right for me.
Yeah, I'm drinking all this alcohol, trying to forget. It's in my system, baby, please don't make me regret. Why don't you love me, baby? I'm drinking all this alcohol, trying to forget. It's in my system, baby, please don't make me regret.
Why don't you love me, baby?
Yeah, let's go. Was my girlfriend to my only lover. Now talking off, she had all the saddle.
yeah, yeah, yeah,
Yeah, yeah, yeah, yeah, yeah. Was my girlfriend to my only lover. Not talking off, she had all the saddle. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Shout out to all the sad boys.
Hey.
To forget, and I still can't get you
Out of my head,
So I
spent days in my bed.
I wish I was dead. You're the demon that's inside my head.
Let's go, go.
I did what
I did.
I drink to forget, and I still can't get you out of my head.
So I spent days in my bed.
I ain't living life just pretending, yeah. Give me time I've been spending, yeah. Mind's awake but my heart is empty. No, you got me dandy, but you would tell me,
but you don't care about me. So
tell me that you don't like everything you said in the end. Now you're fucking with a new guy. Why you waste my time? Got my hopes up, now pretending everything is alright. I've been stuck on you ever since you left me. And in my head, wonder why my heart is empty. I've been on my own ever since you met me.
What? Can't fucking tell.
I did what I did.
I drink to forget,
and I still can't get you out of my head. So I spent days in my bed. I wish I was dead. You're the demon that's inside my head.
I did what I did. 너의 기억 속에 남긴 바른 나의 작은 클립. 너의 사진 속에 나의 사진 녹인 향기 모. So you're your body, I feel fucking cold. But time think your body got me fucked up. 술 마시려고 노력해라 some I throw up. Age 21, I think I lived a whole lot. All these pussies, they think no baby, please grow up. Help me, I'm falling. And a deep hole enough to swallow me.
You know I'm calling.
Don't pass the phone over through the door. I drink to forget, and I still can't get you out of my head. So I
Spent days in my bed. I wish I was dead. You're the demon that's inside my head.
Yeah, thank you.
She drive me insane like I'm stuck in this loop where I love you then the next day I wish never met you. I cannot contain. Can you know that I'm insane? Yeah, I fell for you. Know you feel the same, just tell me to. I'm sad I can't explain, but I'm there for you. You know I'm ready to, baby, care for you. No, I'm not a guy to fall for your type. Call me anytime, girl, you know I'm on your mind. I know when you're stressed, yeah, you're such a mess. Heavy is the head, let me wear the crown instead. You know it's not easy when you're not next to me. I'm falling apart, I'm bleeding in my heart. It's 4 in the morning, your body alone, you're left. You should've just told me why you lied. I know you know me way so much, baby, just hold me. I just need you to fall for me slowly. I know it's hard, baby, yeah. Just fall for me only. She drive me insane like I'm stuck in this loop where I love you then the next day. Never met you, I cannot contain. Can you know that I'm insane? Girl, I fell for you. Know you feel the same, just tell me to. I'm sad I can't explain, but I'm there for you. You know I'm ready to, baby, care for you. I'm not living, I'm just killing time. I've been messing, I've been spending sleepless nights and girl, I've been stressing. No, I'm not alright in my heart, and my head hurts. I just wanna be alright, and girl, you make me feel worse. Yeah, now I'm falling. Never should've happened, I'm scared, but you told me. Call me when you're lonely. Fuck the guys you see, they got nothing on me. I'ma live in this moment. I've been losing control. I don't want you no more. I'ma drink till I'm gone. She drive me insane like I'm stuck in this loop where I love you then the next day I wish never met you, I cannot contain. Can you know that I'm insane? Girl, I fell for you. Know you feel the same, just tell me to. I'm sad I can't explain, but I'm there for you. You know I'm ready to, baby, care for you.
Thank you, man. Thank you.
Crying, you know. But yeah, amazing performance. How do you feel after the performance?
Oh, it's good, man. It's a good performance. It's a sad song, but I played my heart.
Yeah,
you know what I'm saying?
trust me, I'm pretty sure everyone
Yeah.
watching and myself included felt that. So yeah, tell us a little bit about yourself for the people that don't know.
So my artist name is Nguyen, but my name is Rin. I'm a Vietnamese British person, and I was born and raised in North London.
Cool. So, like I asked the others that performed before, what is Wav, and what does it mean to you personally?
So what Wav is we are vision, and essentially what that is all of the individuals in the collective have a shared vision, and that's what we're trying to aim for. And we're doing it through, whether it be styling, through music, through performing, through live events, and yeah.
Cool. So obviously we know that you're sad boy after listening to your type of music, but for the audience, do you want to tell them what type of genre of music that you make anyway?
The genre of my music, it really stems from my experiences, and generally they're quite sad ones. So the genre, but in terms of what I make is emo, rap, melodic rap, and yeah.
So you've been through a lot.
You could say so, yes.
Yeah, so the upcoming event in September, Ripples in the Wave, do you want to tell the audience a little bit about it and how excited you are to perform?
So I'm excited to show the masses my music, because I don't think, again, a lot of people like me make my type of music, because I'm Asian, and in terms of the genre I make is not very known in the UK, and that's what I want to share to the masses. So yes.
Cool. Like I asked earlier with Pianwu and Santo, what is your relationship with them and how did that come across?
So I started making music in 2018. So I was more of a producer back then. So I was making beats, and then through that I wanted to expand my music creativity. So that's when I met Santo Mintu, and then he wanted to make trap at the time. So I made him a trap beat, and then and then from that, it stems from me meeting Wu through that, because he made TDK. That was the beat for TDK actually. And yeah, from then we've just been making music since.
Cool. So you kind of started off as like a producer and then kind of branched out into becoming like a full artist and musician now.
Yeah, from meeting Santo, actually, because I was in like music studio sessions with him, that actually made me want to record music rather than just produce it. And that's one of the reasons why.
Okay, thank you. I don't want to take too much more of your time, so thank you for that, Rin. Like you guys heard it, he produced the beat for TDK, and the last track is TDK. Let's run it.
TDK, let's go.
Let's go.
Woo.
Yeah. Energy.
Yeah. Hey.
TDK 알만한 사람만 아니면 TDK Dominant Korean 나머지 Jerry Blaring Blind me
TDK 알만한 사람만 아니면 TDK The dominant Korean 나머지 Jerry We gon' get the blood
What? The dominant Korean that's right
Stand on my lane
가짜들 모두가 지내가
최고라 해
라고 말하는 애들 대부분도 다
가짜라네
라고 말하는 건 뭔가
가스 에이 니네가 날 판단해 What? 니네가 날 판단해 What? I got the plan, I got the vision 여기서 더 건 엄마의 angel What? 첫 번째 plan 그들이 MC들이 있던 날이니 나열한 후 살짝 그러는 도미노 강이네 도미노 비싸네 Dominant Korean, that's the game What? Ay, dominant style, dominant life 돌이켜 난 네 인생과 도리한 무게 버리에 듬는 명이 차야겠지과 Nah, that's not me I like the wasteland, that's not me 아끼로 라인을 붙여주는 게 바로 나지 우리는 뭐든지 씹어먹네 Korean town, living legends
That's the least of what we
gon' be 네
What we gon' do
네 알겠어 못하면서 네 I dominant blood flows from the far east 내보나 모든 고통 TDK 알만한 사람은 아니면 TDK Dominant Korean 나머지 Jerry Blaring Blind me TDK 알만한 사람은 아니면 TDK Let's go, we gon' get the blood murder 1, 2, check the mic, everything I do, yeah, I'm doing it right Always on my grind, now I'm up, so the cops never lose I made with it on a fight night 혼자 내버려둬, we can drop it Always to the right, chosen, 나 원래 혼자 여기까지 왔고 이제 crew 하면 배통 받아 나도 덮여 얼어지만 cheeseburger power with me Don't fuck with me, I got no time for you 시간 없어 너한테는 일단 모르 넌 담배처럼 연기의 마음으로 진짜 래퍼 애초에 행동하냐고 봤지 너무 따라와 나의 랩을 너무 high 비행선이랑 같이 네가 지려봤지 마치 빈 시간 같은 발레 뻗더니 번씩 파 겁없는 날 Picking up to go get 우리들의 차이 해로들 폰 앞에 두고 센서 깍두지만 너 필요하고 뻔뻔 겁내지마 육식은 나는 뱃살만 잡아먹어 줄줄좀만 내가 나쁜 사람 같잖아 캐리진 않나 yeah TDK 알만한 사람만 아니면 TDK TDK 도미닉 코리안 나머지 제리 블레리 Blimey TDK 알만한 사람만 다 내 TDK TDK 도미닉 코리안 나머지 제리 We gon' get the bloody money TDK I want TDK TDK 도미닉 코리안 나머지 제리 블레리 Blimey yeah TDK 알만한 사람만 다 내 TDK The 도미닉 코리안 나머지 제리 We gon' get the bloody money Thunder plus 82 Don't know TDK 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 TDK
TDK
TDK.
TDK
I'm gonna run on a banana TDK.
TDK.
Anyway.
That
Here
was
we
the
go.
sound of Plus 82 live, coming you live and direct. Pian Wu, Santo,
Ray.
TDK,
Wav.Collective.
Wav.Collective. Yes sir, yes sir.
So Ty, how we ending this?
How are we ending this? Let me ask you, how was TDK, bro?
TDK. I
Yes,
mean,
sir.
do I need to say more? The guy put water all over his head and everything,
Bro.
so I don't need to say much. You
Bro,
know what
got
I'm
me all
saying?
flustered and all that. I was like, out here, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
But yeah, thank you once again for tuning into the Sound of Plus 82 live stream, coming to you direct, presented by Wav.Collective. Please don't forget, link in bio for the event of Sing it with me.
Ripples in the wave.
Ripples in the Wave. Yes sir, let's go. Thank you again, once again. We are the hosts, Ty,
Joby.
and this is Sound of Plus 82 live, presented by Wav.
Make sure you check the link in the bio. More stuff coming soon.
Let's go.
Peace.
Peace. Yeah!